If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for a way to generate income from home. Welcome to a very unique opportunity available to anyone who has the desire to better their life. This is beneficial for anyone and everyone, from newbie to seasoned marketer, and even marketers that are frustrated with their current situation. We provide an opportunity for people everywhere at any stage in their life to build a significant business and work towards developing financial independence and a better quality of life for themselves and their families. Although each of us is unique, we can all be successful thanks to the system and strategy we have put into place, which is more powerful than most anything available today. Let's face it, we all want to work less, earn more, and enjoy a better quality of life. And that is exactly how our strategy will work for you. Think about it. This is the age where cars park themselves, Google tells you everything you need to know, and you have gadgets and apps at the touch of your fingertips. Yet, when it comes to flexible working hours and the new business models available today, most people are stuck in the old ways. You are here today to see the benefits available to you by getting involved in one of these new business models. We are Freedom Lifestyle Alliance, a community of like-minded individuals helping real people create real results in their lives. And we can show you that with a little patience, regardless of your past, your future can be filled with money and time freedom. You're about to discover a business model and strategy that can dramatically transform your life and income. People like yourself are looking for alternatives, looking for options, looking for better opportunities. Some are looking for a side hustle, a home business, or something that allows them to work from anywhere, anytime. Today's technologies do just that. They bring a new era of income generation known as a lifestyle business. Why a lifestyle business? The traditional job markets have little to offer most people in today's economy, whereas a lifestyle business can set you on the path to time and financial freedom, offering something that can sustain the lifestyle you desire. It focuses on you as an individual with minimal overhead and location flexibility. Stepping into your freedom lifestyle is no longer a pipe dream because we offer you everything you need. 95% is done for you, allowing you to learn as you earn. We've removed the barriers, and we have the business model along with the right partner companies. We have training and mentorship, and our unique strategy presents you with a genuine opportunity to change your present situation. Our business strategy is logical, ethical, and offers the potential for exceptional income based on solid business principles within a stacked income strategy. So what is a stacked income strategy? Simply stated, you add additional income to your bottom line by stacking one income source on top of another from existing profits, allowing you to earn into the multiple six figures. You have the ability to get paid 100% commissions on multiple $250, $500, $1,000, $3,500, $5,000, $7,500, and more, all from just a one-time only $35 cost. It also positions you to earn ongoing passive and recurring income. The various business partners we work with are solid and well managed, offering in-demand products within the digital information, e-learning, personal development, and business education markets. By combining and leveraging internet marketing with an affiliate franchise business model and advanced big-ticket businesses, you enter a billion-dollar marketplace. Big-ticket, high-income opportunities summarize the growing change of focus in the home business industry, from long-term residual income to immediate leveraged income, with a minor focus on recurring income, as is the case with our strategy. Big ticket is typically characterized by reverse one-up, reverse two-up, one-up or two-up compensation plans with a digital-based product or service that is available in the $1,000 to $3,500 and higher cost range. One of the best parts about the compensation plans is leverage, offering you the ability to earn considerable commissions while recouping your cost quickly. Let's face it, the promises of old school MLM and lifelong residual income is all but dead for the average person. So, if you'd like to make more money without the high cost risks of a big ticket business, then our Lifestyle Alliance offers the answer you've been waiting for. It's the solution for the financial challenges facing most people today. One of the key issues we have found is that many people cannot afford to lay out the thousands of dollars to become involved in a big ticket business model. As well, most people have difficulty bringing people into their business organization. We have solved these two major issues. Our associates collaborate and work synergistically to build the Alliance organization as a whole with you in order to maximize every associate's income. Basically, we operate similar to a cooperative. Additionally, with our strategy, you only need to work with a handful of direct associates, 5 to be exact. Our stacked income strategy channels your business associates into multiple businesses through a follow-me system, increasing your income systematically through each business. It provides solid business growth, enabling you to reach your financial goals in the best way possible. It's designed to build your income progressively and ensures that no associate is ever left behind, and everyone is in a position to maximize their income. Most business opportunities keep upselling you on more products that quite often leave you exhausted and broke. With our stacked income business strategy, you get the right offer at the right price for you, which is affordable to anyone and won't require you to keep pouring more money for upsells that end up bleeding you dry. By keeping the cost so insignificant at just $35, potential new associates won't think twice because the risk is minimal and the benefits are substantial. As an alliance, we all promote one web link, and then people go through the exact same process as you are going through right now. That being said, let's get into how the compensation plans work with our partner businesses. Every associate starts with our Easy One-Up primary business. This is where you pay your one-time payment, which comes in at just under $35. Then you're on your way to earning 100% commissions. Elevation at $25, Elevation Elite at $100, Vertex at $250, and then to Vertex Elite at $500. We will move to the Vertex Pro $1,000 level later in our strategy. Each associate member keeps 100% of their commissions at those $25, $100, $250, and $500 levels. The compensation for Easy One-Up is a reverse one-up structure. You will pass up your second sale to your direct sponsor, typically known as a training cost. One of the benefits of this system is the fact that you get paid from your first direct associate, therefore getting your cost back relatively quickly. The power of this compensation comes next in that your direct affiliates must pass up their second sale to you, and this goes on through infinity depth in your business organization. To ensure our stacked income strategy works effectively and that all our associates obtain 5 direct members, everyone is positioned systematically, ensuring a method to maximize everyone's income. You will be progressively building from one level to the next, in Easy One-Up from your profits. For instance, on the Elevation level, you will earn $25 from each of your direct associates. Additionally, you will be earning pass-up payments from them as well. The admin from Freedom Lifestyle Alliance will advise you when it is time to upgrade to the next level. Again, this is done to ensure that everything progresses systematically and has the best interest of every associate member to maximize their income. As you progress through the different levels of Easy One-Up from $25 to $100, $250, and $500, you will have earned direct 100% commissions as well as 100% passive commissions. And if you calculate it out, you will see that you'll have a very nice net profit prior to moving on to your next business. Plus, you will continue to earn passive commissions on all of those levels as your organization grows. You are now easily in position to stack your next business on top of Easy One-Up, which is Exodus Elite, for a cost of $1,349. Exodus Elite has a yearly fee of $299 as part of the cost of maintaining your back office system and for upgrades to their product packages. There may also be a small fee involved when making a payment to your sponsor affiliate, which is included in the $1,349. As with Easy 1-Up, the Exodus compensation plan works on a reverse 1-Up structure. You will be entering Exodus Elite at the G1000 $1,000 level, and that puts you in position to earn 100% commissions of $1,000. As your direct associates follow you to Exodus, you will earn $1,000 commissions from each. That's a quick $4,000 right off the bat. As well, you will earn continuous pass-up commissions of $1,000. It is at this time in our strategy that you will also be leveling up to the Vertex Pro $1,000 level in Easy 1-Up, allowing you to double your $1,000 commissions. Don't forget, you will still be earning passive commissions from Easy 1-Up as well. Okay, let's stack your fourth business on top of the first three, which is National Wealth Center. National Wealth Center not only allows for $250, $1,000, $3,500, and $7,500 100% commission levels, but also gives you 3 levels of monthly recurring income, totaling $175 of earnings per associate. National Wealth Center uses a reverse 2-up compensation plan, whereby you pass up your second and fourth associate sales to your sponsor. So for example, at the $7,500 level, you will receive 3 direct 100% commissions for a total of $22,500, and your earned passive commissions will equal $45,000, which represents 2 $15,000 sales from each of your direct associates. The same reverse 2-up commission structure works for the monthly recurring income as well. With only 50 business associates in your business, you can be earning in excess of $8,750 monthly. This is in addition to the continuous passive income you receive through all of your businesses. These businesses outline phase 1 of our strategy. As well, we also have additional mastery phases coming in the future. By now, you should have a good idea of how our stacked income strategy can actually offer you sustainable income with minimal effort and maximum income earnings, just by adding one business on top of the next with your existing profits. It was developed to provide you and others a way to achieve that financial independence and personal freedom that we all look for. We are truly offering anyone an opportunity to make some serious income, no matter who you are, where you come from, or what your background is. Tens of thousands of people are out there looking for opportunities to better themselves financially. Hundreds of opportunities are out there looking for people. But Freedom Lifestyle Alliance are the only associates offering a stacked income strategy and system that's set up in such a way that everyone has the potential to succeed. All it takes is some patience and the ability to follow the strategy already in place for you. If you start now, then 6 months to a year from now, hundreds of those people could be in your organization, driving your business forward as both you and they earn more and more income in order to achieve your desires and goals. Let me just say, I've been where you are. You're unsure, possibly a little skeptical. We all feel that way when looking at something new. The reality is, the risk of a $35 one-time cost is well worth the reward. Isn't it time you started to make the big money? You'll be earning more money with minimal work and effort through our stacked income business strategy and Follow Me system. If you can get your head around how our strategy works and are able to understand the power of the compensation plans, then I am sure that you can agree that this is a simple way to earn a sustainable, long-term, 6-figure income plus. There is nothing simpler than sharing a web link that details a strategy for stacking your income progressively with multiple business sources. It's simple, smart, effective. So it comes down to Plan A, stay where you are, or Plan B, get on board with us and enjoy more time, more money, and more choices in your life. But before I close out, I want to add that we each earn the income levels we do because that's the amount we have limited ourselves to earn. We could easily earn 5, 10, and 20 times more if we didn't limit ourselves through the thoughts and beliefs that we maintain. We just showed you a business model and strategy that will allow you to earn in excess of what you are likely earning presently. So change those thoughts and beliefs. Start now and get positioned, because by becoming a Freedom Lifestyle Alliance associate, your life will never be the same. Come and be part of something bigger than yourself. Think about it. We live in the most exciting time in history. The speed of technology has created new and exciting opportunities like this that allow anyone the ability to take their life to new levels. Don't waste any time. Get back to the person who invited you to this presentation and take the next step today. It's been said, you cannot always wait for the perfect time because there may be no such thing. Sometimes you must dare to jump. Thanks for taking time to watch this presentation, and we look forward to you becoming our next Freedom Lifestyle Alliance associate.